Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by KhemBuzz. Today's video I'll be showing you guys my 22 inches ring lights, which I'm going to be unboxing, and also I'll be unboxing my backdrop and turntable. This is a 22 inches and it is very huge. I mean super huge. Not showing right here in the video, but real life it's a very huge ring light, and it comes with a remote, with mirror, and also with a stand and some other things. Guys, I'm so super excited to show all this to you, and also guys, I'm so happy to have this to myself. It's what I've always wanted actually. So I'm so happy to show you guys all this. And please guys, if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button for more updates. Guys, please make sure you click on the notification button for more updates. And also guys, if you've not joined my membership fans club, please make sure you join, because I'll be dropping some nice content there soon, and it is only my fan base that will have, I mean people that have joined my membership fan base, that will have access to it. So if you've not, please make sure you go and join my membership fan base and have this exclusive video to yourself, exclusive content to yourself. And also guys, I think I'll be going on live soon. I don't know when, but I'm going to announce it soon, because I have a cute and a lovely ring light to myself. And also guys, I have a mirror in front of me, so when I'm actually doing a video with you guys, I mean I'm just going to look at myself to look how pretty I am. Oh, don't mind me. So guys, please, like I said, if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and I'll be showing you another video soon, which this video I'll be dropping it soon, and it's going to be my next PDF pattern, which I'm going to be showing you guys soon. So please stay glued to my channel. So I'll be showing you I'll be showing you the step-by-step tutorial of this. So, and I'll be dropping it on my membership fan base. If you've not joined my membership fan base, please go and join so that you can have exclusive package to yourself, exclusive videos, exclusive content to yourself. Guys, this is the remote for my ring light, so you can use it to change to any color you like on this ring light. Now I'm going to be showing you my turntable and also my backdrop. Oh my gosh guys, I'm so super excited. Like I am so, like my pictures are going to be dope, like my pictures are going to be cute, are going to be nice. I can't wait to rock this. Oh my gosh. Oh guys, I can't wait to rock all this. Like I'm so excited, you have no idea, right? I'm so excited. All right guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you find this, I hope you guys found this interesting. Thank you so much. Please watch out for my next video. Stay glued, stay tuned, be glued to this channel. I love you. Mwah.